Explore the rich tapestry of life on Earth, from the tiniest microbes to the mightiest mammals. Discover the patterns, importance, and challenges of biodiversity, and learn how we can work to preserve nature's incredible variety for future generations. Biodiversity encompasses genetic diversity within species, species diversity across different regions, and ecosystem diversity ranging from deserts to coral reefs. It is the variety of life in all its forms and interactions. Over 1.5 million species have been recorded, with insects making up 70% of this total. However, estimates suggest there are millions more, especially in tropical regions, yet to be discovered. Biodiversity hotspots are regions with exceptionally high species richness and endemism, facing significant threats. These 34 hotspots cover less than 2% of Earth's land but harbor a large portion of its biodiversity. Biodiversity patterns vary with latitude, area, and altitude. Species diversity generally increases from poles to tropics, and larger areas tend to have more species. Altitude also affects diversity, with different patterns in various regions. Biodiversity is crucial for ecosystem stability, productivity, and resistance to invasions. It supports healthy, functioning ecosystems that provide vital services to humanity and all life on Earth. Biodiversity faces numerous threats, including habitat loss, overexploitation, pollution, invasive species, and climate change. These factors disrupt ecosystems and lead to species decline. We are in the midst of a mass extinction event, with species disappearing at an alarming rate. Unlike previous mass extinctions, this one is primarily caused by human activities, threatening countless species. Conserving biodiversity has utilitarian, ecological, aesthetic, and ethical values. It provides food, medicine, and ecosystem services, maintains balance and resilience, and holds cultural and moral significance. In situ conservation involves protecting species in their natural habitats through protected areas, habitat restoration, and community conservation efforts. This approach helps maintain ecological integrity. Ex situ conservation includes zoos, aquariums, botanical gardens, and gene banks. These facilities breed, preserve, and store genetic material of rare and threatened species, ensuring their survival. India has established 14 biosphere reserves, 90 national parks, and 448 wildlife sanctuaries to protect its rich biodiversity. These areas safeguard ecosystems and allow for sustainable use and human activities. Global efforts include the 1992 Earth Summit, 2002 World Summit, 2010 Aichi Targets, and 2030 Sustainable Development Goals. These initiatives aim to reduce biodiversity loss and integrate conservation into global agendas. Citizen science projects engage the public in biodiversity monitoring and conservation. Initiatives like eBird and iNaturalist provide valuable data for researchers and raise public awareness of biodiversity issues. The path forward for biodiversity conservation requires a multifaceted approach, including strengthening protected areas, promoting sustainable development, and fostering global cooperation. Together, we can ensure the rich tapestry of life on Earth continues to thrive for generations to come.